Hey everybody, it's Jim over here at Travel Camp Orange Park. Wanted to show you this used, like new, Forest Rivers No Boundary travel trailer. This thing is sharp. It's on sale, $17,977. Want to give you a quick walkthrough on this unit. Electric towing jack, propane tank, battery. Walk around the side of this unit here. Look at this. Look at this. This is nice. Look at the wheels on this thing. For a travel trailer, best clearance in the industry right here on these things. These are solid built trailers. All right. We got storage, pass-through storage, fresh city water connections, your electric water heater, cable satellite ready, 30 amp plug-in, additional storage here in the back, outdoor shower, your black tank flush. Like I said, these are solid units. These are made of Asdale siding, and it's got a walkable roof on a travel trailer as well. Spare tire ready on the back, ladder already on. Electric awning. These things are prepped for solar already. 110 outlet on the side. Again, check out these tires. These are tough looking tires. LED lights, electric awning. Let's go inside and look at this thing. This is a 19.7 model. Forest Rivers No Boundaries. Check it out. As soon as you walk in, queen size bed to your right. Big windows. Look at all the storage. Got everything opened up here for you. Plenty of storage above the bed. Plenty of storage above the dinette area. The table comes out. That folds into, you can lay that down for a bed as well. Here's your control panel. 2 USB ports. Bottle opener for soda and whatever you choose. TV, cable ready. Storage. Storage. Look at this. Solid wood as well. Okay. More storage underneath this wardrobe. 2 bunk beds. Additional storage in the back. USBs on the left side of the bunk bed there. These refrigerators. Big refrigerator units. Sink. Residential style sink. 2 burner stove. Flips down. More additional counter space. Convection microwave oven. Let's look at the inside of these fridge. Look how big this fridge is. It's nice. Big freezer. And last but not least, private bath with additional storage, stand-up shower, and that's it, folks.